Hello, this is Atif Mahmood, and in this activity, I am going to we are going to actually designing and addressing a topology, and for that we have four routers here actually, and we need to assign the appropriate IP address for them. Learning objects are determine the number of subnets needed, determine the number of hosts needed for each LAN, design addressing scheme, assign addresses and subnet masks to devices interfaces, examine the use of the available network space. So the first step in this activity is we are going to actually start from this first router here, which is R1. uh, we are going into command line and enable conf t, and this this router actually has uh, three serial ports that we are going to configure each of them. So int s0 se 0/0/0 IP address 192.168.8.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.128. No shutdown, and now we are going to second interface conf t. Actually we are already in configuration. So int se 0/0/0/1 and IP address for this one is 192.168.9.1. Notice this is actually a different network address. So 255.255.255.128, and we are going to run same command, no shutdown on this one. And now we are going to third one, int se 0/1/0. This is the third one, and IP address for this network would be 192.168.10.1, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.128, and no shutdown, and copy run start, which is always very important. Actually exit and copy run start, and the information it is doing is actually building the information. And now so we have configured this router now, and now we'll close that, and now we will go to actually a router 2, which is here, and we are going to configure this one. Enable conf t and int se 0/0/0 IP address 192.168 dot what I had in my mind, I think it was 8.2, and the subnet mask would be 255.255.255.128, Now shut down and exit. Now we are going to int fa or exit, actually enable. I hit a wrong key, it will take few seconds. Okay, finally it did let me in back. So enable conf t int fa, oh actually fa 0/0, and the IP address is, we are going to give it IP address here, IP address 192.168.255.255.255.128, and now we are going to actually now shut down and exit and copy, run, start. Actually exit, copy, run, start. And now we got our second router configured, and now configure router 3. Now this is what we are going to do. So this is the router 3. We will open the command line CLI and start configuring this IP, this router. Enable conf t and int s0/0/0 IP address 192.168.9.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.128. Now shut down, exit, and now we are going int fa 0/0 and the IP address 192.168.9.129, and the subnet mask would be 299.299.299.128. Now shut down, exit, copy, run, start. Actually exit, copy, run, start, and we saved the information on this one. Now we are going to configure router 4. Now I can see here the lights are creating connection between each other, so we will go over here, and this is the router 4. Let's configure this one now. This is the last router that we need to configure for this activity, and enable conf t int s0/0/0 IP address 192.168.10.2 255.255.255.128, and now shut down, exit, and now conf t, actually I should have stay in the configuration mode, conf t, and now we are going to int fa/0/ IP address 192.168.10.12.19, and the subnet mask 255.255.255 and 128, and now shut down, exit, copy, run, start. copy, run, start. Keep doing this. So now we have configured our 4 routers, and I will fast forward it so I can provide the IP addressing to one of these each host and the printers, and I will fast forward it actually. I have assigned the IP addresses to all these hosts and printers. Now we can see everything is green, mean they all are talking to each other smoothly, and this completes the activity 6.1.1.